Well, on the mortgage side, if you have a team, or let's say you have a brokerage and you're closing anywhere between 5 to 10 buyer deals a month, let's say even 5 transactions a month coming from your buyers, it makes sense to do a JV deal with the mortgage company. I mean, the way we set up our JV with our mortgage company, it's super skinny. Like literally the expenses do not exist. Like we can make money from closing a couple of deals a month. Good money closing a couple of deals a month. So if you're a brokerage or a team, like instead of, with all the respect to all the lender friends that I have, but you send them 10, 15 deals a month, and typically you're gonna get back is maybe $1,000 or $2,000 in marketing help, right? If you send 10 to 15 deals to your mortgage company, you're making $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 in income. There's a huge difference, right? And now you can take that income and you can either invest it in some other assets that will generate more income for you, or you can invest it back into your real estate brokerage and continue to scale, right? Hire more personnel, hire more individuals that will help you to grow your brokerage.